Alright, so I want to spend some time telling you how to use the various websites that you're going to use for your country analysis. When you go to the journal, it says here Tuesday Country Analysis. This is something I want you to work on Tuesday, though you can work in the computer lab if you wish on Monday on this. As always, please make sure students without regular access get first dibs at laptops. You can always do this stuff at home. So as you're working on it, the first question is, what is the breakdown of migrants that have been coming into your country in the past 30 years? Age, sex, gender, which obviously mean the same thing, and I'll edit that. What do these numbers tell you? So you're going to use this website here. So we are looking for the information about the migrants. Now what you can do, this will be from 1990 to 2010, so it's actually 20 years, something else I will fix. And you can look at the number of migrants, how many migrants come into the country, the total population by age and sex in thousands, international migrants as a percentage of the population, all of this data, how many of them are female, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at like total population or estimated number of migrants. So we come down here, as always, I will pick my country, which is Djibouti. Do not download as a CSV file, it's a waste of your time. You're going to go over here and click display and wait a while. It'll eventually come up. I guess I could tell a joke while we wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. So here's both sexes combined. These are raw numbers in the year 1990 by age. It's like a population pyramid. So as you can see, the bulk is here in the middle in the 20s and 30s. Male and female. Interestingly enough, more women coming in than men into Djibouti, which is interesting. A trend that kind of holds true over the course of the 20 or 30 years that were the 20 years, 1990, 20 years that we're looking at here. So that's one way to look at it. Another way would be, again, total population by mid-year. So how many total migrants by the middle of the year in thousands. So 560,000, 730,000, 879,000. Actually, that might not be migrants. That might just be the total population. Duh. So anyway, that's how you use that one. So we go back here. What does your country have overall? Net in or net out migration? What are the numbers? What does this tell you? Use this website. So we click here. This one, you just look. Here we have Afghanistan, Angola. It's all alphabetized. So we'll come here to Djibouti. It has a net out migration because it's negative. So every year it nets out 15,000, 16,000 people. If your country doesn't have this information, there are other places to find it. You're just going to have to be using Google. Try the CIA World Factbook. That's always a good place for this information. So we go back, and last but not least, the confusing website. Does your country have overall... Oh, sorry. Where do my immigrants from your country go? Where do immigrants from your country come from? What does this tell you? Use this website. This website might not work on the laptops. We'll see. So we use this website. This one's really cool. So we have all of the countries here on the left-hand side by, you know, alphabet. And here on the right-hand side, I'll click on the country to know more. So let's say we come down here and we click on Djibouti. Everybody clicks on Djibouti. There we go. You can see where they go. You can see where they head to, France in raw numbers, etc. So we can also look at migrants and where they come from, heading into Djibouti from left to right. So migrants come from Somalia, Ethiopia, and Yemen, mostly from Somalia, though. So that's pretty cool. And then the size of the bar indicates obviously the number of people overall that are leaving or coming in this case, leaving. So China's very interesting. You can see it's going all over the world. So anyway, that's how you use those websites. Enjoy. If you have any questions, as always, post in the forum, etc., etc., etc.